2016 Chevy Silverado Z71, 5.3 liter, all murdered up, beautiful truck. We got something special done on it today for you guys. We did a true dual system right there with a built-in X-pipe, 2 high flow catalytic converters instead of the third one, 2.5-inch pipe all the way back into 2.5-inch mandrel bent tailpipes. Right there and right there into 4-inch tips, rolled, black tips. Right there and right there. Came out absolutely phenomenal. It's a beautiful truck and beautiful job. Hope you guys like it. I'll let you guys hear it in a minute. There it is. All the way back, 2.5. Completes the look with the black tips. Oh yeah. True duals never disappoint. Right there and right there. Again. Let you guys hear on the inside. Sounds mean, man. It sounds really mean.
You're the man.
Enjoy it, brother.
You're the man. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Take you over, you just can't breathe. Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel